All right, Mustang fans, here's a 2008 Saleen S281 Supercharged Coupe. Black on black, or black with the dark charcoal interior. I believe it was considered black interior. This particular car, first of all, is number 190 of 185 supercharged coupes made. I'm sure maybe if you're wondering or doing the math there, how can you have number 190 if there's only 185 supercharged coupes made? That 190 is a serialization number of all Saleens made in 2008. So within those numbers would be the non-supercharged coupes, the non-supercharged convertibles, the supercharged coupes, the supercharged convertibles. So that is 190 of the total Saleens built, but there was, like I said, only 185 supercharged coupes made. Powered by the S281 Supercharged 4.6 liter underneath the hood, putting out 465 horse. The standard features, or I shouldn't say standard, but the optional features on top of what you would have got standard with Saleen would be the forged wheels, the HID or high intensity discharge headlamps, and 373 rear gear ratio for the rear end. Now something that was done after the fact is this hood, the Cervini hood. See, it's got the scoop and then a heat extractor on each side. Nice looking car, also in very nice shape. Give us a call if you have any questions on this car, 507-386-1726, or down below this video in the description, there's a link you can click on it. UniqueClassicCars.com is where it's going to take you. Nice looking forged wheel. You have the brake upgrade in the front on this car, along with the aerodynamic skirts, front fascia, rear wing, front stabilizer bar, different shocks. Saleen changed a lot of suspension components, braking components, as well as supercharging them and getting them more power. As you can see, interior is also in nice shape, but take a look at this paint. You can see the reflection. Yes, this car looks as nice in person as it does the pictures in the video, by the way. You can see the reflection of the ceiling, the curtain next to the car here where we do our videos and pictures. FYI, this right here is light coming in the window behind me, which you can also see the reflection there. The car is nice and straight, not full of dings, nicks, scratches. In the black, of course, you'll find a few imperfections here or there, but boy, I haven't seen much at all in this car. These rear window quarter treatments, that would also be an after the fact that it came from Saleen. It would not have came from Saleen with those. Those would be a double-sided tape if you didn't want them on. They would be removable. Come around to the rear end, center dump exhaust, rear fascia, rear wing, all Saleen items. Again, take a look at the still pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com. That's the link down below this video in the description. And of course, 507-386-1726. We've had quite a few Saleens in. We are familiar with these cars. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask us. This car new actually was $61,241. So with a little over 10,000 miles, 10,600 and some it is, it's a pretty good bargain considering what these cars were new, how much life is left in this car. You can tell it's been well cared for, well taken care of. Let's go ahead and check this interior out. I'm going to start it up. We're going to check out the engine bay, all that fun stuff. Let me pull this key out a second so we don't have to listen to that. As you can see, door cards, nice shape. Saleen S281 floor mats, ones that would have came with it. All right, Saleen embroidered seats with the suede inserts, which are in nice shape. What you'd expect with less than 11,000 miles on it. Very nice car. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, you have the seatbelt or parking brake one on, light on, but other than that, no indicator lights, check engine lights, warning, anything like that. There it is. says 10,677 for miles. Once it's moved around, taken to our indoor showroom and out of detail here, and it'll get a few more on it, but not many. Still Steve Saleen signed dash as well under the hood. I'll show you when we get to that. Boost gauge, and it would be an intercooler air temp gauge to the right. Dash is a nice shape. Shaker 500 stereo system, 5-speed manual transmission. Alright, let's go ahead and slip around to the back of this and hear it run. These are a great sounding car, but especially under power. When you're on the gas, you hear that blower and the exhaust all at the same time. Great sounding car. Nice little rumble coming out of it. You can hear that. Now, we do consider trades. Maybe you got an older Mustang, you want in a newer one. Maybe you want to get out of a Corvette, get into a Mustang. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation of this car to where you're located at. All right, I'm going to pop this hood as I go by. Pause the video a second, and we'll check out under the hood. Let's pause this. I'm going to pop that hood and check out the engine bay. All right, hood's popped. And first of all, as far as hood, I'm going to show you this if I can get it in the shot here. This hood is functional. There's a screen, so outside air would come in. And as you can see here, air can go back out the slats and the heat extract the hood. So that hood is functional. Has had a little dress up underneath here, the aluminum covers, the shock towers, sweat towers. There's Steve Saleen's signature underneath the hood, the supercharger intake. You hear how smooth this engine runs. Get a little bit of whistle out of it, but nothing like when it's under power. Of course, all your options, steering, brakes, AC, all the goodies. Beautiful car. Like I said, you can tell this thing is well taken care of. Nice and clean underneath there. So there you have it. 2008 Saleen Mustang S281 Supercharged Coupe. 465 horsepower. Fun car to drive. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, down below this video, click on the link. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures. Financing's available. We do consider trades, and we can sure assist getting this car transported to where you're located at. Low Mile Saleen. Get it while it's available.